The origin of meme sound. This unhinged yelling sound. It sounds like an angry kid, but it actually comes from a school meeting in 2020. A father was sharing a story about something that happened to his son when a man in the crowd interrupted with a nasty comment, and a woman simply lost it and told him to leave. This smooth Riz sound. It actually comes from a free preset on an electronic keyboard. Sound designers loved it so much they started putting it in movies, including the Kill Bill movie back in 2003. This tense sound. It was composed specifically for the Death Note anime in 2006, and it played during the show's most intense scenes.
Go somewhere for a drink? You humored me with the tennis match.